I'm Derek with PhiBer, and we come up with innovative designs to partner in your efficiency. We are farmers also, and the designs we come up with help our own farm, but also those of our customers. We are constantly on a quest to make things more efficient and understand the needs and demands of modern agriculture. My dad, Phil, and Harvey Bergen founded this company. Their first products were all to create solutions for problems on our own farm. They developed a following. In 1996, they formed PhiBer Manufacturing, Inc. They have always had, and we still maintain today, a one-on-one relationship with our farmers and operators around the world. PhiBer has a unique business model for most of our products. We work directly with customers, allowing them to have direct access to parts, service, expertise, and allowing us to walk directly with people in their operations. We have put a lot of effort in creating systems that allow us to walk with our customers even in the remote places of the world. We understand how the margins on farms are getting tighter and tighter, and it becomes a greater challenge for farmers to be profitable. The equipment that we have designed is all to enhance efficiency and to maximize on those margins wherever possible. Understanding how tight these margins are on farms, we have also invested heavily in automation and production capacity here at PhiBer to offer the best possible product at the highest value proposition we can. We now sell equipment and parts all over the world, and we have locations in Canada, the US, and Australia. In addition to using some of the most advanced technologies in the manufacturing process, we've also created an e-commerce platform to better serve our customers. On this platform, we have created simple ways of putting together very complex and advanced configurations, as well as allowing people to buy individual components that we would manufacture here. We have been fortunate to attract some exceptional talent, from engineers to programmers to project managers to CNC operators, administrators, sales. We have an incredible team. I love the exceptional group of people we have here at PhiBer, and it has allowed us to develop exceptional products. From the hundreds of testimonials I receive, I know that our products are making a difference in the lives of our farmers. Spending time with family is important to me, and creating products that'll let the job get done faster so we can get back to what's really important in our lives is what brings us joy.